It's Ngome Lifestyle, Chief Creative in Charge at Ngome Lifestyle, and I just want to pop on and share with you about the extraordinary business acumen and savviness of Queen Jacqueline Brown. We call her JB affectionately, and she is the pioneer and empress behind Africa Fashion Guide and all things related to Africa-based fashion businesses and sourcing. You cannot go wrong when you get with Jacqueline Brown. I am a proud product of her work. I had traveled with her to Ghana on a sourcing trip back in 2019, and I just completed her WAXBiB subscription box program just a few weeks back, and I launched the Royal Wrap Box alongside a phenomenal group of female entrepreneurs who also have Africa-based business. So don't be on the fence. If you are, jump on, do it unafraid, do it with faith, and be bold. If you want your business to soar, jump on board. You cannot go wrong with Jacqueline. She's all that in a bag of chips. And share how magical and majestic the Queen Jacqueline Brown of Africa Fashion Guide is. She has been phenomenal in my Africa-based business journey. I started with Jacqueline over a year ago. I journeyed with her to Ghana in 2019, and from then I knew that I met a lifelong partner for my business, and I just recently completed her WAXBiB program, of which I launched a beautiful product alongside other phenomenal women entrepreneurs who are Africa business based as well. And I'm so excited to have the opportunity to work with Jacqueline. I encourage you to do the same. You will get your money's worth. She gives you everything that she has. When we were in Ghana, we sourced until we couldn't source anymore. I learned so much. I learned way more than I learned when I went to fashion design school. So don't dilly-dally, get with Jacqueline. You cannot go wrong. You will be super, super excited and glad that you did. Tell her Ngome Lifestyle sent you.